We're going to get you running again.
Yeah.
And the way you start running is fast walking.
Good morning, good day, and good night wherever you may be. I'm going to take you on my journey of trying to throw a football despite my ataxia, and I promise you'll see how determination can push boundaries. This is Art Thomas, and I have acquired ataxia. Welcome back to living with ataxia.
First things first, you got to catch it. Ready? Now, don't throw down. Throw it like up like I did to me. You're not trying to throw it hard, you're trying to lob it and toss it up. Which I can't catch. Right through the hands.
It's harder than you think.
What the hell is that second string do that? Back up more. See that spot right there? Yeah. Right in the eye. Perfect spiral.
That was good.
That was good. Good. I was down a little bit. I'm trying to like lob it softly so you can practice catching it.
Better at this than what it was a year ago.
You better at this than you were a year ago?
Yeah.
You gotta get it.
I felt weird.
Go back some more. A little bit more. Right there. So you gotta go up. Good. That was good. Up. That's not quite up.
I gripped it too hard.
Yeah. Straight to you. That was like a kick.
Let's see if I can throw this.
If you can throw it from there, that'd be great. But you gotta go up. Not quite.
No.
I'm gonna kick it to you. You gotta catch it.
Yeah, right.
Look at that spiral. That was perfect.
All right, go.
Right there, from there. You got a long one again. Let's just see. You got to aim. Not bad. But you still went kind of down?
Yeah, I need to go up.
Huh?
I need to go up.
Not bad.
Right through my.
I'm trying to lob it up, but make it soft. So you just got to think about catching it. You know, sometimes you got to chase the ball. We're going to get you running again.
Though.
I thought about it. I didn't just think about it. You made me think about it again. We're going to get you running again.
Yeah.
And the way you start running is fast walking. You know? Okay. One hand.
Almost.
If you get that with one hand, I'm going to be impressed.
So what?
From there. Throw it. Up. Like you're trying to throw it past me. Almost.
No.
All right, it was there.
Yeah.
This is something like when you're at home, you got to practice like, I don't know.
Yeah.
You know, you got fields and stuff that you can throw it to. Throw it in, you know what I mean? Like, so you can like just go back and forth. You know what I always sucked at? Baseball. I was always worried about the ball hitting me, smack me in the face.
Yeah, I only played t-ball.
Something's messing my eye.
Football, basketball, all the time.
Oh! I did football, wrestling, soccer, and track, but as fast as I was the slowest dude on the track. My absolute fastest mile was 6:15. That sucked.
I can tell you what mine was.
Oh my God, you smell that?
I
Steak.
can't smell.
Steak.
Good. I know this. If I grip it tight, my accuracy is worse.
Why are you getting closer? Yeah, you gotta learn to relax again, because if you're too tight,
Yeah.
you're keyed up. You just gotta, that's what I'm saying, just practice. Don't think about throwing it. Think about just lobbing it. Not like that. You let
That
go of it too
was a
soon.
little too loose.
That's why I'm not even like trying to throw it. I'm just trying to lob it up. Because you just gotta worry about practicing. You just gotta worry about catching it.
Yeah.
That's why I can just do underhanded. I can't believe you can't smell that. That's fantastic. Outback must be just cranking up right now. Up. Go up.
Yeah, I have to remind myself.
I mean, there's times, you know, like in games when you can throw it down, when you will throw it down, but you're not trying to. I mean, we ain't got to worry about that. You're just trying to get down, throwing it, catching it. God, I haven't done it so long. But something like this, you just got to practice more and more.
Yeah.
You got to get your dad out there in the field. Get him active somehow.
I try. Good luck. Getting
Yeah.
I just have to do it more.
Yeah. Reaction time.
Yeah.
Ah!
Almost.
It's like you're a kid again. You're scared of the ball. You see it go to your face. You're like, ugh. Yeah, it ain't gonna hit you. Just move your head out of the way. Bat it away. Punch the ball. Ah, come on. I was right in the breadbasket. That's way too close.
Yeah.
Back. More. Right there. That should be good. Yeah. You gotta go up.
Yeah.
You're getting there.
Almost.
It's getting there.
That wasn't good. I gotta go.
Yeah, you gotta go up. That's an improvised kick, I guess. Up. Ah! Through the hands.
Yeah.
We need to bring out that third string guy now.
I can't throw like I used to. I noticed I had to move my hand down. I used to be right here, but now I had to be like that.
See, I gotta do it in the middle. I can't do it on the end or it wobbles. Like I gotta do like this. So it can be, you know. Sausage guy.
Oh.
Oh, one hand. Oh! I don't believe it. Ah! Come on.
Like a little kid.
You like a little kid. Any leftover sausage?
In conclusion, ataxia has challenges, but it doesn't have to hold anyone back. With the right mindset, we can overcome even the toughest obstacles. I hope my journey inspires you to push beyond your own limitations and never give up on your goals. Set a vision, and goals will come if you work hard enough.